Actions that are repeated over time gradually become habits with a curious life of their own. Not all habits are developed mindfully. Some habits develop unconsciously from internal or external stress. These tend to be negative or maladaptive habits. Neuroscientists are convinced that while positive habits are formed, negative habits can be broken. The question of habit formation can be approached from a scientific perspective or a more subjective and experimental way. Passive habits arise from things we eventually get used to. High altitude climbers gradually adapt their bodies to the lower level of oxygen available as they climb above 7,000 feet. Active habits are those developed by repeated intentions and effort, crystallizing as skills we perform with little or no thoughts. A gymnast practices walking, jumping, and flipping on a narrow beam until she can do all these movements without falling. Habits as skills can also be seen as springboards to creativity. Based on what we can habitually do, we reach new heights, as when a jazz musician ingrains from playing a basic melody, then improvising new and adventurous notes on top of the underlying theme.